Hello and welcome back to Saas Pulse. Today we're going to be reviewing another fantastic tool called Spiritme. Spiritme is an AI video platform designed to create personalized videos using digital avatars. It allows users to generate lifelike videos from simple typing text, which the avatar then speaks, incorporating realistic facial expressions and emotions. This makes the content more engaging and more impactful. The key features to Spiritme are you could utilize one of their current avatars or generate your own personal avatar and use your own voice cloning. It has a super friendly interface, as well as this application is most popular amongst marketing professionals, educators, media professionals, customer service department, and content creators for making promotional videos, educational content, interactive learning materials, and engaging customer support videos. Let's get into the pricing model for Spiritme. As you can see here, there is a $12 a month where you get 10 minutes per month. You get dynamic facial emotions, 140 languages, and then you get custom backgrounds as well. For $34 a month, you get 34 minutes per month. You also get the dynamic facial, you get the premium voices, you get 140 languages, as well as you could have a paid add-on custom avatar as well. You also, for $100 a month, you get unlimited minutes, you get the dynamic facial emotions, you get the premium voices, you get 140 languages to choose from, as well as a paid add-on on a custom avatar. My personal opinion is if you're going to be spending $100 a month, I feel that they should give you a custom avatar that you could create, and then any avatar beyond that should be an add-on. But let's get into the actual tool and let's check out the dashboard. Here we are inside the Spiritme dashboard. So if you were to look at the top of the dashboard, you would have your main section. You would have your studio, which we'll get into in a moment. You have My Account, where it would feature all your personal information. You have the pricing, as well as the Help Center. All the way to the right here, you have a blue button that says you could create a video immediately. However, if, say, you have a template, you could utilize a template that you want to create a video with, or you could use a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation to generate your video, or you could simply just utilize a prompt that you have created to create the video. Underneath that, you have where you could create a custom avatar within 5 minutes. And then further down below, you have all your videos that you have generated in the past. So let's get into the actual studio and let me show you exactly how to start to generate your video using an AI avatar. See you in there. Here we are inside the Spiritme studio. You have your blank canvas here, and to the left here, you have all these different tools you could utilize while creating your video. So if we were to start at the top, this is your formatting. You have all the different options if you want to format for whichever social media you would like to create this video for, or perhaps you just want to put it on your website. So for right now, we're going to choose the 4K 16:9. Below that, you have your templates, which are pre-made templates through Spiritme. Down below, you have your avatar. So if we were to come in here and say, for example, we want to choose a avatar, let's just choose an avatar real quick. There you go. Now, within this option, you have a way to choose either the circle, or if you just want to choose the actual avatar without putting them inside a circle, you have that option as well. So if we were to do that, we could do that. And then below that, you have your script, which we'll get into in a moment. Underneath that, you have your stock images, which if you want to create if you want to utilize, say, a video or an image for your background, you could utilize that. Let's just say office. So you see over here, you have so many different offices that you could choose from as your background. Let's just say, let's not do that one. Let's choose another one that is more fitting to my current size. Let's do, there is one that I like a lot over here, actually. Here we go. So let's put this in the middle. There you go. And now let's enlarge this. There you go. Okay. And then let's flex this out a little. There you go. So now you have your background, you have your custom avatar. Now what you could do is you could come back here, click on the background, and then you have a set of options here which you could utilize for your background. So you have your image, you have your crop, you have any stroke that you want to put on it, you have adjustments, filter, effects, and blur. Let's just say if you want to put a blur, let's put a linear blur, or matter of fact, let's reset that. Let's put a Gaussian blur on that. Now, if this is too much of a blur, what we could do is we could simply come in here and we could bring it down. Let's say if we want to bring it down to, let's bring it down to 20. I think that looks good. And then further down here, underneath the stock, you also have videos. These are videos that you could upload into the system if you want to utilize within your own AI video avatar. And then below that, you have music. You could add music as well as utilize one of their music files that they have within their system. You also have images. These are images that you could upload and utilize. So if, say, you want to use like a logo in your video, you could use that. You could utilize a logo in there as well. Below that, you have your text. So if you want to come in here, you want to put a text, you could put in a text over here called, I'm just going to call it business. And let's just come here. Let's move this up here. And then what you could actually do is you could come in here. You could change your font. So let's just say if you want to change it to that. You want to change your size to, say, 64. And let's just say you don't have the bold option or the italic option with this specific font, but you could also align it to center or to the right or back to the left. And of course, you could come in here and you could also move it as you like, wherever you would like within the canvas. Further, you have your fill. So if you want to change the fill of your text, what you could come in here is you could come in here and then you could change it to red. You could change it to blue. Whichever you would like, you could change it in here and you could see that the color is changing. Let's just say if you want to put it, let's just say green. Let's do that for now. And then below that, you have any shapes that you would like to add to your video. You could come in here. You could put a shape like this and back. Of course, once again, you have options here on top where you could change the size of the shape or the style, how many corners you want to add to that original. You could do that. You have your color. Once again, you could come in here. You could edit. You could change that as well. You have your stroke adjustments. You have your filters. You have your effects. So say if you want to pixelate it, you could pixelate it. You could do that. Yeah, there's so many different options to choose from over here as well. So you could go ahead and do that. And then once again, you have your blur. So if you want to add your blur, you could add your blur once again. So that's for the shapes. I'm going to delete this shape right here, actually. Let's take this back. And then down here, you have your stickers. So if you want to add any stickers to your videos, you could add your stickers to your videos as well. But let's get back into the script section. And over here is you could either add in a script or add in your audio. You could do that as well. But let's just say if we want to create a script, we could create a script. I'm going to actually create, I have a script that I already created, and it's right over here. I'm going to paste it. Here we go. So here's our script, and what we could do is we could actually come in here and we could mark up any emotions that we want to add to the script, which then the AI avatar will show that emotion to align with your script and to align with your video. So let's just say mark up emotions. Okay, it's doing it currently. So it usually takes about less than a minute for this to work, and there you go. So you could see over here, emotion name happiness. Hey, and then that's your script, and then you have emotion, and then you have your smiles over here, you have emotion, you have another smile, and you have another emotion of happiness. So we could go in and we'll generate this video for you to see exactly what the avatar looks like. I'm going to delete this real quick so that stays out of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, there you go. I'm going to do it like that. Perfect. And now over here below this, you could actually come in here and listen to the way this is going to sound based on the avatar voice that you choose. Now, if you want to choose your avatar voice, you could actually come in here and choose from different voices that you would like. You could also break it down per country if you would like to utilize it as well. But for now, let's just choose English, and let's just choose there's usually someone that I think it was Matthew.
Hi there. I'm happy to meet you and would love to be your voice. Do you want to try me?
There you go. Or Stefan.
Hi there. I'm happy to meet you and would love to be your voice.
There you go. So let's utilize Matthew for now.
I'm happy to meet you and would love to be your voice.
There you go. And now you could actually come in here and get a preview. This is not going to show you the avatar talking. That happens only currently when you're generating. However, Spiritme is currently working on doing that option where you could see the way your avatar is talking within the studio. That's currently not available, but it is planned in their roadmap. So that preview we will eventually get very soon. But let's take a listen really quickly and let's just see how this sounds.
Hey there, SaaS enthusiasts. Welcome to Saas Pulse, your ultimate hub for all things SaaS, e-commerce, and AI. Rocket. Here, we dive deep into the latest and greatest SaaS product reviews, uncover game-changing e-commerce strategies, and explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence.
So there you go. We have the actual scene here, as you could see it. You have your background. So let's go into this and generate it. So this is going to take several minutes to generate. So I'm going to pause right now and then come back once this video is complete and ready for us to watch. So our video finished rendering. Let's take a look at the video and see how it looks. Here's the video. Let me enlarge it for you, and then let's press play.
Hey there, SaaS enthusiasts. Welcome to Saas Pulse, your ultimate hub for all things SaaS, e-commerce, and AI. Rocket. Here, we dive deep into the latest and greatest SaaS product reviews, uncover game-changing e-commerce strategies, and explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a startup founder, a seasoned entrepreneur, or just a tech enthusiast, we've got something for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our weekly content. Let's pulse through the future of tech together.
So there you go. That's the video. As you see that you could utilize the AI video for your own personal business, marketing. There's so many ways to utilize these types of videos nowadays. And honestly, with the technology getting better and better, these videos are just and these avatars are just gonna get so much better over time. However, if you did like this video, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you have a question or a comment, make sure to leave it below. And if you do want to pick up this tool right now, check out the link inside the description area where you could utilize this link to go directly to the page and purchase this tool. Once again, this was Ricky with Saas Pulse. We'll check you out next time.